During version 10, I was following it and I watched it again and I felt that it has been really evolved. I have seen many like Zoho and other things, but then I found the integrated modules in Odoo is really something very interesting. I loved WhatsApp integration.
Oh.
We have been waiting for that, and it will, because people these days people are using WhatsApp for business also.
Hey, welcome to our Odoo Feedbacks and Forward. I'm Harshita Pamnani, Head of Customer Success with Odoo India. Today with us, I would like to appreciate the relentless efforts of Mr. Deven Shah, the leading manufacturer and craftsman tooling for our brave firefighters. Let's talk about his seamless experience with Odoo.
Hello friends, myself Deven Shah. We have a small business in Ahmedabad. We are running manufacturing units for fire protection systems and firefighting equipments. We do little bit of projects also related to fire protection systems.
Good to know, sir, about your business. Could you let me know how did your Odoo journey started?
It's really interesting. I have little flares about ERPs, and I have been now watching different, looking for different ERPs for my business also. And during version 7 and 8, I came across Odoo. At that time, it was little elementary, and we tried to implement it through different third-party implementers, but could not sustain for a long time, and we then switched over to another ERP. During version 10, I was following it and I watched it again and I felt that it has been really evolved. And then after we switched over, we implemented this time by ourselves rather than taking help from any third party. And till then we are using it.
Okay, that's so good to know, the exciting journey that you were following Odoo. You were knowing the older version. It's been very limited customers, those who are knowing the older versions. And yes, we evolve every year. We launch every newer versions every year. It's really good to know. So, in throughout this journey, so exciting journey, what were the major challenges you were facing, which, you overcome?
Major challenges were like scattered data, so many databases, so many different softwares if we want to organize ourselves. Odoo is one thing I felt that it is so neatly integrated, all different modules, and the database was a single database rather than multiple database and then integration. I have seen many like Zoho and other things, but then I found the integrated modules in Odoo is really something very interesting.
Thank you. I'm really happy to hear that you are so, so happy to have the integrated modules. Moving forward, I'm trying to understand that, as you said, you guys have done your implementation by your own self. Could you help me how long it took you? What was your speed, your journey of more in that?
It took almost 1.5 to 2 years because we were using SuccessPack. One by one modules we were trying to implement. At that same time, our database also was building because we were gathering the data from different software. Few of the things we actually keyed in by ourselves. But it was SuccessPack was something which helped us a lot for small queries like how to use certain features, and then detailed query like whether customization is possible or not for certain things.
Moving forward, I'm really now interested to know that how many users, currently your companies,
We are around 15 users at the moment. It's being changing month to month, like 12 to 15, it's like that.
In the morning session, there were many new features. Which all features you think is, would be very useful to you and your company?
I loved WhatsApp integration. We have been waiting for that, and it will, because people these days people are using WhatsApp for business also.
Truly.
And it was little clumsy for communicating through different channels. once by email, and people will ask that please send on WhatsApp, and
Right.
then there was no integration of all the communication.
Agreed.
So I see that now it is possible. So I will
Right.
be eagerly waiting to implement that.
So this was your journey with Odoo and your users and everything journey. Now I'm really interested to know how do you feel about Odoo Community Days?
It's wonderful because I was not expecting this kind of event. In fact, I had attended before during I think version 10 or something. It was on very smaller scale.
In 2018 also we did.
So the scale has improved, and I'm sure with Mr. Fabian's presence, it will make all the difference.
Yeah,
But this kind of events are required for creating awareness about the software.
Agree. So as you said, these types of events are required. So if we are keeping it in next year, would you be coming again?
Definitely.
Okay.
In fact, as I was sharing with somebody, we have been waiting for that experience event because we come to know about the new features of the next version, and especially Fabian's talk, the first talk. So personally watching that will be definitely
great pleasure. Right. Thank you for joining me in this interview. It was great talking to you. I really liked the entire journey, and I will take your feedbacks and surely come up with the solutions for you.